हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन हेयर इन दिस लेटेस्ट कवरेज। सो यहाँ पे बैंक पेंशनर्स की जो अपडेट है उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर दैट इज़ बीइंग रिलीज्ड बाय द यूनियन, सो वी गोना सी दैट एग्जैक्टली हेयर। तो यहाँ पे सर्कुलर थोड़ा सा लेंथी हो जाएगा, सो आई ट्राई टू कवर इट अप इन अ वेरी quick and short manner. So start करते हैं with the important circular that we have here for all the respected seniors. The bank pensioner circular important as that is why I have taken it. Otherwise I won't discussed among. So November 18 का circular है that is being referred by All India Union Bank Retirees Federation, affiliated to All India Bank Retirees Federation, to Comrade Mr. N. Shankarji, Vice President AIBEA. सो ऑल इंडिया बैंक एम्प्लॉय एसोसिएशन के जीएसएम मुंबई उनको रेफर करा गया है। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सिचुएशंस उन्होंने डिस्कस करी हैं। दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर रिजाइंड एम्प्लॉयज टू ऑप्ट फॉर द पेंशन स्कीम and reference to United Form of Bank Unions MOU that is being signed with not signed, that is with IBA dated 9th November 23 suggestions. So we have the copy of AIBA circular dated 11/11/23 informing that MOU has been signed between signed between United Farmer Bank Union and IBA to give an opportunity for the resigned employees to opt for the pension scheme. So subject to approval by the Government of India. तो यहाँ पे अभी ये Government of India की तरफ से approval pending है. So we have carefully read all the clauses that of the MOU as informed in the above circular and make the following submissions with a request to take up the issue of retired employees of Union Bank urgently with the leadership of AIBEA and United Form of Bank Union, considering the very important and long pending issue of extending the pension benefits to the retired employees proposed to be resolved soon. यू मे बी अवेयर दैट यूनियन बैंक वाइड स्टाफ सर्कुलर नंबर, तो वो आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली मॉडिफाइड बाय स्टाफ सर्कुलर ऑफ 2005 formulated a scheme for compassionate appointment and relief to the dependent of deceased employee on medical ground. So informing that employees who are totally incapacitated on account of ill health and unable to work may take voluntary retirement on medical grounds, तो वो medical grounds के ऊपर ले सकते हैं. So employees who were totally incapacitated to work thus opted for premature and voluntary retirement on medical grounds. So their applications were accepted by the bank after getting medical certificate from civil surgeon. So regarding their permanent incapacity to do work duly supported by bank's medical officer report, based on which their retirement on medical grounds was considered by our bank. सो यहाँ पे इन दिस रिगार्ड वी इनवाइट योर काइंड अटेंशन टू रेगुलेशन नंबर 30 है, जो कि और पेंशन रेगुलेशन 1995 providing for invalid pension as under. So invalid pension may be granted to an employee who has re-ended minimum. So this is something important, 10 years of service and retirees from service on or after first day of November 93 on account of any bodily or mental infirmity which permanently incapacitate him or her for service. So in 2010, when the uh, when the second option for pension was extended to Union Bank by Staff Circular 5690 dated 27th August 2010 to the employees and retired employees who had not voluntarily retired on medical ground as per the SC number 4989 dated 26 July 2003 with modifications in 2005. So being aggrieved by the bank's decision not to allow the group of retirees to exercise the option of pension, so one of the members of this group approached Kolkata High Court for justice. The Honorable Supreme Court of India, by its judgment 2019, upheld the judgment of Kolkata High Court, directing the bank to grant permission to the petitioner who retired under the medical group scheme of the banks due to ill health and incapacity to do work. So we understand that prior to announcing the final order as directed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the bank filed an affidavit requesting the Honorable Supreme Court not to allow the appeal on the following grounds, and also confirming that there are many such retired employees in the merged entity, right? So contents आपको पता ही होगा affidavit का, there may be a large number of cases, about 45 such cases are already in the knowledge of the management. So if the number of two banks, that is EAB and ECB, are added, the outright burden shall be a large number. So that is okay. So since the issue is applicable to all the such 58 banks who participated in the settlement, and the imposed judgment has adverse implications on health deficient pension funds, so which, as mentioned in the petition, has a very has a very heavy shortfall which the petitioner bank has to meet from its stressed funds. So in view of the favorable decision of Honorable Supreme Court, similarly placed employees who opted for retirement under the scheme of retirement on medical grounds became eligible for pension, and there was no reason for denying pension option to these retirees by the bank as provided in Union Bank of India. And you are aware that IBA void their letter number regarding second option to CRS retirees incorporated the opinion of the legal advisor as under. So legal advisor का ये the legal opinion given by a legal expert of IBA holds equally good in respect of employees who voluntarily retired on medical grounds. So making many such aggrieved retirees immediately applied for the benefit of pension, but Union Bank has opted an approach that the outcome of above stated subject case was peculiar to the specific case and hence not extended to the others. तो वो extend नहीं हुई others. The bank's decision not to grant pension option to the group who opted voluntarily retired on medical grounds being incapacitated, so retirees as per staff circular enumerated above and eligible for pension as per regulation 30 of pension regulation 1995 is bad in law, and therefore we request you to take up the issue with the leadership of AIBEA and United Form of Bank Union to ensure that such retirees must also get pension on the same terms of 9 bipartite. So considering that all the cases of retirees including compulsory retired employees have been given pension option under the same terms. So यहाँ पे this is the circular जो काफ़ी important मुझे लगा. So I have tried my best to share. So since there are few such cases to whom pension option was denied, so all of whom have served the bank sincerely and honestly.